Welcome back to Learn English with us. Hi, Steve. How are you today?
Hi, Maya. I'm great and hungry. Because today's lesson is all about eating at a restaurant.
Oh, perfect. I love food, and I've always wanted to know what to say when I go out to eat in English.
Then this lesson is made for you. We'll learn what to say from the moment you enter the restaurant until you leave. Ready?
Let's go.
When you arrive, the waiter usually greets you. Here are the most common phrases. Repeat after me. Good evening, welcome. Do you have a reservation? How many people? Follow me, please.
Okay, so if I'm the customer, I can say, "Hello, I'd like a table for two, please." Yes, I have a reservation under Maya Lopez.
Perfect. And if you're alone, a table for one, please.
That's simple enough.
Exactly. Let's do a short dialogue. Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. A table for one, please.
Of course. Follow me, please.
Thank you.
Here's your menu.
Thanks.
Perfect. See? That's how easy it is to start your restaurant experience in English. Now that you're seated, let's learn to order. The waiter will ask, "Are you ready to order?" or "Would you like something to drink first?"
So I can answer colon. Yes, I'd like a glass of water, please. Or, not yet, I need a few minutes.
Exactly. Now, here are some phrases for ordering food. Repeat after me. I'd like the soup, please. I'll have the chicken salad. Could I get the steak, please? For dessert, I'll have ice cream. Can I have a coffee, please?
That's super useful. I always get nervous when ordering.
You don't need to. Just remember, I'd like or I'll have are the most polite and natural ways.
Got it. I'd like a pizza or I'll have a burger.
Perfect. Let's do another role play. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the soup to start and the grilled chicken, please.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of orange juice, please.
Great choice. Anything for dessert?
Not yet, maybe later.
No problem. I'll bring your soup soon.
Thank you.
Sometimes you want to ask questions about the food. Here are useful phrases. What do you recommend? What's today's special? Does this dish come with rice? Is it spicy? Can I have it without onions?
So many useful questions.
Exactly. Let's practice one. Maya, you're at a restaurant in London. You want to ask for advice. Go.
What do you recommend?
I recommend the grilled salmon. It's very popular.
Sounds delicious. I'll have that.
Excellent choice. After eating, you'll want to ask for the bill. Here are the key expressions. Could I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? Do you take cash? Keep the change. Thank you. The food was great.
So polite and simple.
Exactly. Let's make a short scene.
Excuse me. Do I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, sure.
Thank you. The food was delicious.
Thank you very much. Have a great evening. Let's do a quick game. I'll say something, and you tell me what to answer. You arrive at a restaurant.
Good evening. A table for two, please.
Perfect. The waiter says, "What would you like to drink?"
I like some water, please.
Great. You finished eating.
Could I have the bill, please?
Excellent. You're ready to eat out in English. Now, let's do the full conversation from start to finish. I'll be the waiter, you'll be the customer.
Let's go.
Good evening. Welcome to Green Garden Restaurant. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. A table for one, please.
Sure. Follow me. Here's the menu.
Thank you.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water, please.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the chicken salad and some rice, please.
Would you like dessert?
Maybe later.
No problem. I'll bring your food soon. How's your meal?
It's delicious, thank you.
I'm glad you like it. Anything else?
No, just the bill, please.
Here you go. That'll be $15.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
You too.
Almost. You can just say, "Have a nice evening."
Right, I'll remember that.
Let's review today's key expressions. At the restaurant. A table for two, please. I'd like the soup. What do you recommend? Could I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card?
Now I can survive in any restaurant.
You can do more than survive. You can sound confident and polite.
That's the goal.
Your challenge for today. Go to a cafe or restaurant and order something small, even just water in English.
I'll do that.
Perfect. If you liked this lesson, like, share, and subscribe.
And remember, practice makes perfect.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.